If your WhatsApp show no backup found, don't worry. This is a common problem and you can fix easily. This issue usually happens when your backup is not connected to the correct Google account or phone number. WhatsApp backup are saved in Google Drive, so you must use the same Gmail ID that was used when the backup was created. First, open WhatsApp. Then go to Settings. And click Chats. Then click Chats Backup. Here, check which Google account is selected. If the wrong Gmail is selected, change it and log in with the correct one. Many people face this issue because they accidentally use the different email. Also, make sure you are using the same phone number with country code that was used before. If the number is different, WhatsApp will not find your backup. Another important thing is to always create backup regularly. Turn on automatically backup daily or weekly, so your data stays safe. If your old phone still has WhatsApp, open it and create a fresh backup before switching device. Remember, if no backup was ever created or it was deleted, it cannot be restored. So always keep backup turned on to avoid losing your charts. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.